Hey guys, Beast here, and today we're going to be talking about the UCO flat grill in just a moment here. We won't be doing any live demonstrations today, but I'm going to pull it out, show you how easy it is, and I'm going to tell you the things I like about it. We won't be doing any live demonstrations because we are in the height of summer, and of course there are some burn restrictions. I'm going to honor those. As you can tell, everything around here is dry as a bone, so it would be very easy to get something started today. Alright guys, now as you can see, it is called a flat grill for a reason. It does come in this really nice canvas bag. In fact, the first time you guys probably saw me use this, I was using this as a seat. Only one complaint with that is, as you'll see me open this really nice Velcro, but the grill, as well as the entire stove here, is just exactly the size of this bag, and it does make it very kind of tight to get in there. It's not impossible, but when you pull it out, you can see you have to kind of shimmy it from side to side. There's one piece I have not used in this, and they do give a kind of a little poker grabber. You can pull the hot grate off. I almost always have multi-tool with me, so I've been basically using that. So that's one piece of the gear that I have not used. The grill, pretty standard. It's got a lot of food debris on it, which is the other thing. Anytime you're doing wood burning, it's nice to have a solid case to keep all of that contained while you store it inside your vehicle. This is a little bit larger one. They do have a mini flat grill, portable UCO, and this is how she sets up. The legs, as you can see, almost look identical, but when you flip them around, if you pass them through each other, they're gonna stop at each edge, and that gives you your solid base. The inside pieces here just accordion out, and then you're gonna be left with a fairly sturdy platform. If you're gonna use this without the grill top, you can see that these inside pieces do flutter a bit, but once you lock in the grill, those don't flutter at all. It's very secure when you get the actual grill piece on there. I've used regular wood. I've used quite a bit of charcoal on this. I did attempt to use wood pellets, and it was a pretty windy day, and I just couldn't get them to fire off. So generally, a lot of times you'll see, I mean, obviously there's lots of fire debris around, but it's been used quite a bit now so far in the adventure bus. We've cooked on it. We've just used it as a warming fire when we were doing some meteor shower stuff with the family. We've used this for just about everything. You'll see some of the photos as I'm inputting here, primarily chicken. The larger one I liked over the mini because I can actually put a pot on one side and still heat up some items, or if you move all your fire to one side, you have kind of a searing side, just like a standard barbecue, and then move over to kind of a warming side, or toast your buns, that sort of thing. This thing is about 10 inches by 13, and the smaller one is, I think, 7 by 9. The smaller one I would consider for motorcycle travel. This is actually just a perfect size, and again, because it just folds up stupid flat, and it's just, you can take it everywhere, and there's no excuse not to. I mean, that's it. Flat grill. It's pretty easy to put together, pretty quick to take down. It doesn't hold a lot of heat. What I mean by that is I actually had to move it for some wind the other day, and I literally just grabbed it by the legs and was able to kind of carry it around before it got too warm and put it in a better spot, just to make sure that I didn't have any sparks floating around. My only gripe is just the case, which I absolutely love, but it's just the exact same size as that grill, and so it does make it a little troublesome. It's definitely doable. It's not a deal breaker. It's not anything reason I wouldn't purchase it. I would consider getting the little mini, as I said, for motorcycle travel. Something to throw on the back would be perfect. And the only thing is just it's a pretty long vertical space for that coal to sit there. So again, I tried using sort of pellets, which I've used successfully in like a firebox stove, but it's a little more chimney action where you get kind of that convection going. These have air holes on the side, and it just wasn't flowing enough along with the wind to get that heat condensed. A lot of the heat goes out. My only number 2 gripe would be, I know some people are using the aluminum like disposable broiling pans as sort of a makeshift lid. On those windier days, or when you're just trying to do some low and slow, it would be nice to have a lid on there, but again, that would compromise the just the fact that it gets so flat and it stores so easily. Right now I keep this on the outside, right inside my door, keep that, some fuel right next to everything else, my water, and it's just easy to grab in the adventure bus. So I recommend it. I'll put a link down below. Let me know what you guys are using for your barbecues. I'm still big fans of lots of other ways of doing fire and cooking while you're out, but this gets it up off the ground, and it really is just a neat way of bringing that fire and that experience and having a good time anywhere you go. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Wander Beast.
Thanks for all the love and support. You guys are amazing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow the adventure on social media, and we'll see you on the road.